If you were to tell me the next 5 years would be the most excruciating, heartbreaking, and exhaustive, yet include the most wildly dynamic, rewarding, and important moments of my life, but I'd have to jump on a plane to another country and take a trip with someone I had never met and call it a first date, I'd call you crazy.
You're a little out of breath.
But lucky for me, I am crazy, and so is she. And although each new year grew more challenging than the last, we found a way to keep this international adventure alive. To think none of this would have been possible if we both never took a chance that would change our lives forever. While there is still so much to be told, our story begins here with our crazy first date.
Keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air.
It's so
Nothing gonna stop me now.
Oh my God. And the best part, I was filming. Tuck and roll.
You can't tell me, but we know
What do you do parkour in the woods?
Step down, back up, honey, I can't lose.
The right side.
Keep looking to the
Where?
left. Oh, see, I keep...
No, to the right, to the right. So it was a pretty intense first date.
It's only uphill if you're on in.
Wait, uphill sounds like a struggle.
Downhill? You think that sounds any better?
Yeah, downhill's great. You can strap on a snowboard and cruise it on down. Uphill's the battle.
When you go uphill, you always get to like the good parts.
Oh, so we're going for a scenic view?
It's the reward at the end.
And she was right. From that moment, our uphill battle began. But we had no idea just how hard this international relationship was gonna be.
Trying to see if you were on the road. We just left New York.
Border between Canada and the U.S. closes.
We're feeling crappy.
That was just a night entry. Yet, even through all the struggle, we always found joy in the moments we had.
That's bananas. We made it. I'm in Canada. I wasn't recording that whole thing.
It's hard to believe with everything that's happened. This is just the beginning of our journey to forever.